Alright guys, today we have an issue with my 2019 Ford F-150 with the sync. As you see here, it looks like I'm on a phone call, and I am not. I've been off the phone for about 20 minutes now, and it still says it's on the phone call, and it won't allow you to do anything. You can't switch. Any of the buttons really don't do anything. You can't change the station. You can't turn off the radio. Nothing. You can even go on the phone. You can't end the phone call. It doesn't do anything. So right now I'm going to try to shut it off and see if it goes off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, I actually just shut the truck off, and as you can see, it's still on the display screen. I've shut the phone off completely. That did nothing, and I've also shut the Bluetooth off, and it's still on. So we're going to leave the vehicle off for a little bit. I'm going to step outside, and we'll come back in, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, I just let it sit for about 10-15 minutes and I came back and started it, and it actually fixed the problem. Now we're back to regular radio. Everything seems to be working fine. So that was my solution. Just shut it off and leave it sit for a while and then come back to it, turn it on. I have seen some other people had issues with it and that's still stuck on even if you shut it off and turn it back on. So in that case, you actually have to go to the fuses. So get your owner's manual out and look at the fuses. One, it should be for the radio, and another one should be for the sync that goes with the radio. So pull those both out and plug them back in, and hopefully that will reset your radio. And yeah, because it's a big pain in the butt when you're making a phone call on the road, and then you going on a long road trip, and then your music doesn't work, and you get stuck on a station that you don't want to listen to. So anyways, that was our fix for today, guys. Hopefully you found it handy. If you like it, make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, see you guys later.